hopefully they have some camping for us.
Let's see what they say. Senior Inquirer.
It's not staffed today.
Bandelier, there was a, oh, there it is right there. Juniper Campground's to the right down here, I believe. It should say Campground.
Keep going straight. Oh, they sell firewood here. Wow.
Here's the kiosk that don't take dollars, it takes a card. Gotta go down and find our spot.
Okay. Sweet.
Welcome to Juniper Campground. Okay. Go down and find it, I'll come back and pay.
So is the firewood like honesty?
I think the honor system.
Wow. Dump station to our left. Amphitheater.
Albert Squirrel's Loop.
I have no idea, babe.
Well, I can go back up and look at it. I think these are tent up here. Is there a map? Does it show them? Does it show them on the map?
There's, yeah, the loop's on the map back there.
On this map, I think they're on there.
I don't see.
You don't see anything?
No.
Oh well, this is right through the sea.
Okay, we're riding through to sea. We're putting this video up without editing, honey.
Albert's
Squirrel
okay.
Loop.
I think this is just for
Nope, there's an RV.
some RVs in here.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot in here. Man. Well, they're just short little jokers. These are for tents. Well, first couple I've seen here are. There's a long one. Got some long ones.
It's good. It's really good. Not a bad place at all. I don't know why these over here have cones in their pull-throughs.
I wouldn't fit in a lot of these. Pull through there. Oh well. There's one we might could fit on.
Somebody's got it. It's got a tablecloth on it.
Black Bear. Well, those are all tent sites there. Okay, I guess we just go on to the next one.
Yep.
I hate I drove all this way and we won't find a campsite.
Don't say that.
That's gonna
Don't-
suck.
Don't jinx us.
Man, man. Ain't nothing in here.
All right, next loop.
Albert Squirrel. You're kind of squirrely.
Black Bear Loop. We don't know.
That's why you want to be early. This way it is.
That's crazy.
It must come out. I think it comes out right back where we were at there. These are all for tents, guys.
Yep, these are little bitty sites. Little bitty sites. Great if you had a tent.
Great if you're tenting or a tin can like this one.
Yeah, I like that little bitty thing right there.
they reserved anything in here, is what it told me.
Well,
29. We couldn't fit on none of these. These are all for tents. Unless you were just a little bit,
casita. Like these two here.
pretty close to that tree over there, aren't they?
Jeez, yeah. Ooh, you missed it.
Highway 4 is a joke, folks. It is bumpy and rough. Prepare yourself towing your trailer.
Dang, I'm hoping everything stayed on the bed. Jeez.
Well, the trailer rides a little bit better than the truck does. Because it's dual axle back there. Not tandem, but dual.
Yeah.
And that makes it, gives it a better ride. Damn, I hate we drove all the way in and couldn't find it. And see, it's Wednesday. Maybe we got here earlier. But that I don't know about. But I know this. I'm going to do a compendium blog and say, hey,
Forget it.
forget it. It's teeny tiny. If you get a tent's great. Go in a tent. But for a rig, you'd be lucky to get a spot. And this is the first day.
And they only have a handful of them for rigs.
For anything over 30 feet. Only just a couple. Well, there's better places to go.
Yep.
This ain't one of them. I like to see the ruins and stuff. But hell, if it don't make it where you can take a look at it. Road ever. There is camping around Los Alamos, but the parks are closed till the 15th.
It's warmer down there than it is here.
Down further on out, it was closed too. There's one way on over there, but I want to enjoy Santa Fe. That's why I came over here.
Exactly.
So we'll just camp at Santa Fe and say, hey, we have enough time to come over here, we will. Check it out for the day. It's free for us. It's just, I thought we would get a place.